All right, welcome to episode 20 of Amazon Catfish. We are back at Westbranch State Park, Westbranch Reservoir. I'm right down from the swimming beach. Obviously, there's nobody swimming anymore. We're like well into October, so I don't have to worry about hooking anybody. Right off here to my left, I don't know if you can see it, but right off there to my left, a whole bunch of down trees and logs and all kind. That looks like a good area for a flathead. So I'm going to be definitely throwing a bait or two over there. Right out here in the middle is about 25, 30 feet deep. I don't know if I can hit that with my rods. I did bring my frog tog, so I'm going to walk out there a good distance and give it a good chuck, and hopefully I can hit that ledge. All right, I'm going to get baited up and get thrown out. I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, if I'm going to hit that ledge, this is the pole that's going to hit it. This is my biggest pole, so throwing out some more cherry jello. There's a chance I hit it with that one. A chance. Wind's starting to pick up, of course. Well, I am having no luck fishing for bait. So, I'm just going to go chicken. It is the wind is picking up crazy. My app said it was supposed to rain. The clouds do look a little ominous. I brought my tent though. Hopefully I'll be able to put it up in this rain, or this is going to be a very short trip. Hey, we're getting something. Hey, we got action. We got action. Yeah, he's hooked up. All right. Ooh. He feels like a good one. Let me get my gloves. Yeah, he feels like a good one. Let's see what we got. All right, number one. Good size. Squirmer. He's a squirmer. He's hooked pretty good. Hang on. All right, fish number one. Good size. Good size. That's the way to get it started right there. Number one. Good fish. All right, well, we ain't getting skunked. And that was on the orange chicken. Nice. And he left it for me. So I'm going to get it back out there. Alright, it's 6 o'clock. It's been about 45 minutes since I caught that fish. It's getting cold. And Minicast says rain is going to be starting here in about 25 minutes. So I put my tent up. It does say possible thunderstorms and lightning, so have to keep an eye on that. I mean, it's nasty all around. But we're going to hang out for a little bit, because it does say, I'm just going to hang out till about 9 o'clock, so hopefully I can hang out for about another 3 hours. Because the 8 o'clock hour, it does 8 and 9, it does say the rain's supposed to go away, or at least be down to like 20%. So we're going to hopefully hang out here for a little bit. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this too well, but I am being like dive bombed by freaking a whole bunch of hawks. These bastards are getting close. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hawks. 12. Jesus. They're swarming or circling on something. But yeah, they were getting pretty close, man. They were like basically coming right over these treetops right here. They're big. Look at them all. Jesus. Incredible. I just stay up there. They're going to start dive bombing me. Too many to keep an eye on. I'm gonna get under my tent. All right. Well, we're coming up on 7 o'clock. I haven't had a bite. I haven't had anything in about 2 hours. Even the hawks went away. Good. I was starting to get a little worried. Rain has definitely picked up. Wind has definitely picked up. My tent. It's basically meant for like shade. It's not meant for like windstorms and rainstorms, so I don't know how well it's going to hold up. I got it staked down pretty good, so we'll see, but it's wanting to take off a couple times. I don't think I'm going to make it till 9 o'clock. We'll see. Get a little break in some of this weather. I think I'm going to run some stuff up to the car. It's only about 100 yards behind me, so it's not that bad. Come on, fishy, 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 fishy. Something happened. Something happened. We got lucky. Oh yeah, he's on there. He is on there. Hey, we got a fish! We got a fish! Two. Let me get him unhooked. Alrighty, number 2. He's a good one, decent. A nice sized fish right there. He's not as heavy as the last one, but he might be bigger in length. Alright. They're teasing me. See, I was just talking about wanting to leave because the weather's getting so bad. Want me to stay. They want me to stay. Alright, we're coming up on 7:30. Going on a half an hour now since I've had that last fish. Maybe if I keep like threatening to leave, I'll get some bites or get some action or something. But I definitely am going to start breaking down some stuff and head it on up to the car so I don't have that much stuff to haul when I leave. Alright. Probably got about another half an hour. We'll see. Alright, I'm calling it. Episode 20 is in the books. Rain's getting harder, and looking at my minute cast, I got some harder stuff coming in about 20-30 minutes, so I definitely want to get the hell out of here before that comes. Hey, decent fishing trip. You know, caught 2 fish, saw a bunch of hawks. The rain sucks, but I can't complain. Decent trip. I'm getting out of here early enough to get home, get to bed, and get up, go somewhere else tomorrow. So could work out to my advantage. Amazon Catfish, episode 20. See you later.